Right, I want to give you some top productivity tips which I've learned the hard way over the years. First of all, never work on one screen. If you can, try and have at least two, if not more. You won't believe it. I've actually got about 7 in front of me. You don't need to go crazy. The best place to get them, HP do them for about £100. They're phenomenal. You can order them through HP's website or Amazon. I'm not sponsored by them. It's just that I found those to be the crystal clearest, and they're flat. They don't take up much room. That's the first thing. Secondly, work on a desktop rather than a laptop whenever you can. The reason for that is they've got an SSD. In other words, a very fast hard drive. You hopefully have on your laptop as well. Get a proper keyboard and use something called Streamdeck. You can't see it in front of my screen at the moment. Streamdeck is like a little piece of hardware, sits connected to your computer, and I can press a button which will automate files which I constantly look at, and I don't need to click on this, then this, then this. The fewer steps to opening up files you regularly need, the more likely you're going to get stuff done. Okay, it's called Streamdeck. That's another incredibly useful tool to improve your productivity. I'll give you more advice, just like on the videos, and I'll make sure you're sent more productivity tips.